Okay, so for round 8, again, we're going to do 2 in the first stitch, and then we're going to do just 1 single crochet for the next 6. So that's going to be AA, and then it's going to be B, C, D, E, F, G. Then AA, B, C, D, E, F, G. AA, B, C, D, E, F, G. And we should get a total of 48 single crochet stitches. So once again, I have this marker from round 7, and now I'm going to go right over it. We're not doing a slit stitch, we're not joining, we're just going to then now spiral around. And I'm going to keep this one here, and or what you can do, but you just got to make sure you can remember. Let's just keep it there. I'm going to go right through, and I'm going to poke right. I'm going to insert the crochet in here, and then I'm going to go ahead and remove this one. So I know that's my beginning single crochet. I'm going to do yarn over, and I'm going to do 1A1, but before I forget, see that one that I just made right there? I'm going to go ahead and mark it. We need to mark that, because that's where we're going to stop when we go around, and then stop right there. So that's 1A1 right in there. 2A2, 3B, 4C, and we're going up to G, 4C, 5D, 6E, 7F, 8G, 9A, 9A1, 10A2, 11B, 12C, 13D, 14E, 15F, 16G, 17A1, 18A2, 19B, 20C, 21D, 22E, 23F, 24D, I said D, G, sorry, 24G, 25A1, 26A2, 27B, 28C, 29D, 30E, 40F, 41G, 42A1, A2, 44B, 45, come on, 45C, 46D, 47E, 48, E, 48, F, 49, G. So I think let's see, let me count here because I think I messed up here. Everybody, let's count. let's count. I may have counted wrong, and because I can't rewind in the video. So let's see, we've got stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Oh, I must have skipped here. 40. That's good. 40. I don't know where I messed up with my numbers. 40. But here's the thing. Even if you think you messed up, complete it up to the letter. I stopped at G. I know that my next one is going to be AA, but I stopped at G. It's harder to count the letters than it is to stop at the end of the cycle, which is G, and then say, all right, let me count the chains again. Okay? So if I just stopped at 40, now I'm going to do, let's see, 41, A1, 42, A2, 43B, 44C, 45D, 46E, 47F, and 48G. 48G. Oh, it makes me so happy when I can complete it perfectly, you know? So happy, because here's my number 48 and here's my first stitch. And when that happens, it's so nice. And notice now that on your last stitch, you're not stopped right next to it. You're stopped like ready to go right above it, because we are now doing a spiral. So our next and final round for this circular swatch is round 9. So we just finished round 8 and we're now going to do round 9.